Xprite LED Headlight Canbus.
The Xprite LED Headlight Canbus is a high-quality product that offers exceptional performance and durability. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that this product exceeds expectations in terms of its features and functionality. One of the standout features of the Xprite LED Headlight Canbus is its impressive brightness. With a voltage of 12 volts, these headlights provide clear and bright illumination, ensuring optimal visibility during nighttime driving. Whether you're navigating dark roads or challenging weather conditions, this product guarantees enhanced safety on the road. Additionally, the Xprite LED Headlight Canbus is incredibly easy to install. Designed by Xprite, a reputable brand known for its innovative automotive products, this headlight model has been engineered for a hassle-free installation process.